there are foods that just can actually automatically boost our immune system by themselves. One of them is mango. I love mangoes. They're juicy, sweet, filled with fiber. They got lots of vitamins, and they also have bioactives. And I call them mango, by the way, mangoes and stone fruit grand slammers of foods. These are foods, a whole table of foods I have in my book that all activate all five defense systems at the same time, including the immune system. So you can slam it out of the park by eating these foods. Mango is one of my favorites. Tasty, juicy, sweet. You get vitamins, good minerals, and it actually contains these natural bioactives that actually can help boost your immune system.
Welcome, everyone, to an insightful exploration into the remarkable synergy between food as medicine and the incredible potential of stem cells, a connection masterfully illuminated by the esteemed Dr. William Li, a physician and scientist whose groundbreaking work has reshaped our understanding of how our daily dietary choices can influence even the most vital systems within our bodies, including the very air we breathe. Dr. Li's extensive research has delved into the fascinating interplay between specific food components and our body's innate ability to repair, renew, and maintain optimal function at a cellular level, extending far beyond basic nutrition. His influential books have become invaluable guides for those seeking to understand and harness the therapeutic potential that resides within our daily meals, empowering us to view food not just as fuel, but as a potent ally in our journey towards well-being, potentially even impacting the health and vitality of our lungs through the support of cellular health and regeneration within the respiratory system. Today, we focus on a particularly crucial aspect of Dr. Li's wisdom, the potential role of specific foods in supporting lung health and function, and the possible connection to foods that may support cellular regeneration, including the activity of stem cells within the lungs. We often think of age-related respiratory decline as an inevitable process, but Dr. Li's work suggests that our everyday dietary choices might have a more profound and ongoing influence on the health of our lungs than we might imagine, perhaps indirectly through their impact on the health and vitality of lung tissue and the stem cells responsible for their maintenance and repair. Just envision the incredible potential. Could the simple act of choosing certain foods actually support the ease and efficiency of our breathing, potentially even playing a role in mitigating age-related lung issues, perhaps by nurturing the very foundation of our lungs' cellular health and regeneration? In this video, we will specifically explore how incorporating certain stem cell regenerating foods, as Dr. Li's wisdom might guide us to understand them, could potentially play a surprising role in supporting and even improving lung function. We will delve into this intriguing connection through the insightful lens of Dr. Li's perspectives, coupled with a truly inspiring real-life story that beautifully illustrates the transformative potential of these dietary choices. Envision a simple, accessible way to potentially influence the health of your lungs, not just through conventional approaches, but by thoughtfully incorporating foods that may support your respiratory system's natural regenerative processes at a cellular level, potentially leading to noticeable improvements in breathing and overall lung vitality. This brings us to the remarkable experience of Grace, a vibrant 81-year-old who embarked on a conscious journey to explore the potential of specific stem cell regenerating foods to improve the health and function of her lungs. Over the years, Grace had maintained a positive outlook and a gentle exercise routine, but she noticed a gradual decline in her breathing capacity, a common concern as we age that can impact energy levels and overall quality of life. Inspired by the growing awareness of food as medicine, particularly the wisdom shared by experts like Dr. Li, she began to integrate foods known for their potential to support lung health and cellular regeneration within the respiratory system into her daily routine, hoping to revitalize her breathing and maintain an active lifestyle. Grace began to thoughtfully include a selection of foods known for their rich nutrient profiles and potential to support lung health and cellular regeneration. She made a point to regularly consume antioxidant-rich foods like colorful fruits like mango and vegetables berries, bell peppers, tomatoes rich in vitamins C and E, known for their role in protecting lung tissue from damage caused by pollutants and oxidative stress. She also increased her intake of foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish and flax seeds, recognizing their anti-inflammatory properties that could benefit the airways. Furthermore, she incorporated foods containing compounds like sulforaphane found in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale, known for their potential to support detoxification pathways in the lungs. Her approach wasn't about a miraculous cure, but rather about the consistent and informed inclusion of foods that might support her lungs' natural regenerative processes at a cellular level, potentially leading to easier breathing and improved lung function. Over time, Grace experienced a remarkable and heartening improvement in her breathing capacity. She found it easier to take deep breaths, her energy levels increased, and she could engage in her favorite activities with greater ease. While she continued to follow her doctor's recommendations, she attributed a significant part of her positive outcome to the consistent inclusion of these stem cell supporting foods in her diet. She felt more vibrant and active, and her improved breathing allowed her to enjoy life to the fullest. Grace's story beautifully underscores the lungs' intricate connection to nutrition and how nourishing them from within can have profound and positive effects on respiratory health, even in the face of age-related changes. It highlights the potential of making informed dietary choices that support our lungs' natural regenerative capabilities at a fundamental cellular level. Now, as we delve deeper into the specific types of foods that might be considered stem cell regenerating in the context of Dr. Lee's wisdom, and explore the potential mechanisms by which they could indirectly influence lung health and function through their impact on lung tissue cells and potentially lung stem cells, we encourage your active participation in this journey of discovery. If you are intrigued by the possibility that your dietary choices could support your lungs' regenerative processes and potentially improve your breathing, please take a moment to like this video. Your engagement helps us share this potentially life-changing wisdom with a broader community. And if you find this information valuable, we encourage you to share it with your loved ones who might also be interested in learning about natural ways to support lung health and improve breathing. Please feel free to leave a comment below sharing your own experiences or any questions you may have about the role of diet in supporting lung health and function. We truly value your insights and engagement. And if you are new to our community, we warmly invite you to subscribe so you don't miss out on future explorations into the fascinating world of food as medicine. Let's now explore some of the specific types of foods that might align with the concept of stem cell regenerating foods, as understood through Dr. Lee's lens, focusing on their potential to support lung health and cellular regeneration within the respiratory system, which could indirectly influence breathing and overall lung function. One key category is antioxidant-rich foods, particularly colorful fruits and vegetables like berries, blueberries, strawberries, bell peppers, and tomatoes. These vibrant foods are packed with vitamins C and E, as well as various polyphenols, powerful compounds that combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to lung damage caused by pollutants, infections, and the natural aging process. By protecting lung cells from damage, these antioxidants help maintain the structural integrity and function of the respiratory system. How often do you incorporate a colorful array of fruits and vegetables into your diet? Their potent antioxidants are crucial for protecting the delicate cells of your lungs. Another important group of foods to consider are those rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as flax seeds and chia seeds. Omega-3s have potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can be particularly beneficial for the lungs as chronic inflammation can impair breathing and contribute to respiratory issues. These healthy fats can help reduce inflammation in the airways and support overall lung health. Do you regularly include these healthy fats in your diet? Their anti-inflammatory benefits are vital for the respiratory system. Foods containing compounds like sulforaphane, found in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts, are also showing promise for lung health. Sulforaphane has been shown to support the activation of detoxification enzymes in the lungs, helping to clear pollutants and protect lung tissue from damage. Do you incorporate these powerful vegetables into your meals? Their potential to support lung detoxification is a valuable asset for respiratory health. Furthermore, foods rich in vitamin A, such as carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy green vegetables, are essential for maintaining the integrity of the mucous membranes lining the respiratory tract. These membranes play a crucial role in protecting the lungs from infection and irritants. Do you ensure adequate intake of vitamin-rich foods in your diet? They contribute to the protective barrier of your lungs. It's important to understand that while diet plays a significant role in supporting lung health and function, it is part of a larger picture that includes avoiding smoking and pollutants, regular exercise, and proper medical care. The concept of improving lungs through diet is about providing the necessary nutrients and compounds that support the lungs' natural regenerative processes and maintain their health and function from within. Consider how you might weave more of these lung-supporting foods into your daily meals. Could you start your day with a berry smoothie? Could you include a side of steamed broccoli with your lunch? Could you enjoy baked salmon for dinner? Small, consistent changes in your dietary habits can contribute to a more supportive environment for your respiratory health. Remember, Grace's experience. Her consistent focus on nutrient-rich foods likely played a significant role in improving her breathing capacity and overall lung function. It's a reminder that nourishing our lungs from within can have profound and positive effects on our respiratory health as we age. We encourage you to view this as an empowering journey of nourishing your lungs from the inside out. Experiment with incorporating more antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables, omega-3 rich foods, cruciferous vegetables, and vitamin-rich options into your diet. Savor the flavors and appreciate the potential benefits these lung-supporting foods may offer for your breathing and overall respiratory vitality. What are some of your favorite ways to enjoy these lung-healthy foods? Have you noticed any positive changes in your breathing or energy levels since incorporating them more regularly? Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. Your stories can provide valuable encouragement and knowledge to others in our community. Let's build a supportive space where we can learn from each other about the remarkable power of food to support our lung health and overall well-being. As we conclude this insightful exploration into the potential of lung-supporting foods to indirectly influence respiratory health and function, inspired by the wisdom of Dr. Lee and beautifully illustrated by Grace's experience, we want to emphasize the power of consistent, informed choices. Embrace this journey, savor the vibrant flavors, and listen to the subtle cues of your body. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family who might be interested in learning more about natural ways to support their lung health and improve breathing through diet. Let's spread this valuable knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more explorations into the fascinating world of food, health, and well-being. And most importantly, continue to explore the delicious and health-enhancing power of nutrient-rich foods in your own culinary adventures. Let's cultivate a community of individuals empowered to take proactive steps towards greater respiratory health and easier, more vibrant breathing. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to join our growing movement.